So do you also use Instamojo as your payment gateway? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create zero contact on Instamojo sale. So I sell online products and services using Instamojo, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new payment through Instamojo, then automatically that customer should be created as a new contact in my Xero account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instamojo with my Xero account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a Xero contact whenever a sale happens on Instamojo. This integration will help you keep your accounting records updated without any manual effort, making invoicing and financial management seamless. So stay with me as I walk you through the step-by-step process. So as you all know that I sell products or services through Instamojo, and keeping track of my customers and payments for accounting is important. So now instead of manually adding each buyer to Xero, I want to automate the process by creating a Xero contact whenever a sale happens on Instamojo. This ensures that all my customer details and transactions are recorded in Xero instantly, saving me time and reducing errors. So with this setup, I can easily manage invoices, track payments, and maintain accurate financial records without any extra effort. It helps me stay organized and focus more on growing my business. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instamojo with my Xero account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a test payment using our Instamojo payment page. And here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to make a payment over here, then automatically using all the details, a new contact should be created in my Xero account. Okay, so now here let's go and make the test payment. So here you can see the pre-filled details over here, that is first name, last name, email ID, and the mobile number. And now here I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And then here it is asking me to select the payment method. So I'm going to select my method as credit or debit cards. And then here I'm going to enter my card details. And then I'm going to click on this continue to pay. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. And then I'm going to click on this confirm. And here you can see we have made a successful payment. That means we have successfully placed a test order using our Instamojo payment page. So now let's go and check our Xero account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name demo customer and the email as democustomer@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Instamojo account with your Xero account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Xero contact on Instamojo sale. And now here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, case, I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on the screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instamojo, as I'm receiving new payments through Instamojo. So Instamojo is a platform that makes it easy for businesses and individuals to sell products and services online. So here in my Instamojo trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new sale, so that whenever we are going to receive new sale through Instamojo, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Instamojo with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Instamojo account. So this is my Instamojo account, and here under smart pages, you can see all the payment pages that I've created using Instamojo till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use this smart page which is named as core PHP programming. So I'm going to click on this three dots, and from here I'm going to click on this edit page. And here under this edit window, you can see we have received the option for page settings in the left side bar. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to click on this webhook. And here under webhooks, you can see an existing webhook URL over here, and under this add a webhook over here. So I'm going to replace this previously existing webhook URL from the new webhook URL, and then here it is asking me to select information to be sent. So here for information to be sent, I'm going to select successful payments only, because I want to receive the responses for successful payments only. And now here after adding the webhook URL and the information to be sent, I'm going to click on the save and update given over here, and then I'm going to click on this yes save and update. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Instamojo account, or you can say we have successfully connected our Instamojo with Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment using our Instamojo payment page. So for that, let me take you back to my payment page. So this is my payment page, and now I'm going to click on this enroll now given over here, and then here it is asking me to enter some details. So here for the customer information, I'm going to enter some dummy details, where I'm going to enter the first name as latest, last name as customer, email as latest@pabblytudes.com, and then here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And then here it is asking me to select the payment method. So I'm going to select my method as credit or debit cards, and then here it is asking me to enter the card details. So here I'm going to enter my card details, and then I'm going to click on this continue to pay. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP that I have received. So here I've successfully entered the OTP, and now I'm going to click on this confirm. And the payment is successful. That means we have successfully placed a test order using our Instamojo payment page. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response, where we have received the seller account ID, payment status, payment ID, payment currency, payment amount. Scrolling a little down, here you can see the purpose, here you can see the buyer's phone number, name, and the email. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new sale through our Instamojo, then automatically I want to add that customer as a new contact in my Xero account. So for that, I need to connect my Xero with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Xero. So Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances easily. So here in my Xero action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a contact, so that whenever we are going to receive new sale through our Instamojo, then automatically using the details, a new contact is going to be created in a Xero account. Okay, so now here to connect my Xero with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Xero account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Xero. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the organization. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the single organization that I've created in my Xero account. So I'm going to select that only, and then here it is asking me to enter the contact name. So now here instead of entering the contact name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new sale through our Instamojo, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the contact name, I'm going to map my buyer's name. So this is the buyer's name, so I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here this contact code, account number, first name and last name are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the email address, I'm going to map the buyer's email address. So this is the email address. Moving forward, again this account number, text number and these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. But if you want to add any of the detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the phone number, I'm going to map the buyer's phone number. So this is the buyer's phone number, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in a Xero account for the new sale received through our Instamojo. So now let's go and check our Xero account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact over here with the name latest customer, email as latest@pabblytools.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instamojo and our action as Xero. So that whenever we are going to receive new sale through our Instamojo, then automatically using all the details, a new contact is going to be created in our Xero account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Xero contact on Instamojo sale. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the Glow link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.